So our topic for today is about problem solving and creativity, presented by Maria Jasmine Tipador and Brian Pananganan. So what is problem solving and creativity? Problem solving refers to one's skill in determining the means by which to achieve a specific end or overcome a specific problem o pagbibigay solusyon sa isang problema. While the creativity, it is associated with the capacity for thinking in new and different ways. It is like going beyond the usual and stepping outside the box, o ang pagiging malikhain sa mga bagay-bagay o sa kanyang ginagawa. Problem solving and creativity has two categories: the Torrance Creativity Framework and the Creative Problem Solving, which is the Torrance Creative Framework has four subtypes: the fluency, flexibility, elaboration, originality, while the creative problem solving has six stages. So I'll be discussing the Torrance framework for creative thinking. So bago natin alamin ang Torrance framework for creative thinking, kilalanin muna natin ang founder nito. Ang founder nito ay si Edward Paul Torrance, which is kilala sa pagiging father of creativity for his nearly 60 years of research that became the framework for the field of gifted education. He was Professor Emeritus of Educational Psychology. He invented the benchmark method for quantifying creativity. The Torrance test of creative thinking helped shatter the theory of IQ tests alone were sufficient to gauge real intelligence. The test solidified what heretofore was only conceptual, namely the creative levels can be scaled and then increased through practice. Mga halimbawa na nagpapakita tungkol sa Torrance test of creative thinking. Binigyan ka ng iba't ibang uri ng mga hugis, kung saan makikita natin kung ikaw ba ay isang creative na tao at less creative na tao, kung ano ang iyong magagawa sa mga hugis na ito. So ito ang magagawa ng more creative at less creative na tao sa ibinigay na hugis sa kanila or ang outcome. Unang halimbawa, if ikaw ay more creative na tao, maaari mong gawin ang hugis na ibinigay sa iyo bilang isang Mickey Mouse. At kapag ikaw naman ay less creative na tao, ang magagawa mo lang sa ibinigay na halimbawa sa iyo na hugis ay simpleng bagay lamang, o ang nagawa ng less creative na tao dito is chain. Ang pangalawang halimbawa naman is ang combined, which is kapag ikaw ay more creative na person, ang magagawa mo sa hugis na ibinigay sa iyo ay king. While kapag less creative person ka naman, ang iyong magagawa ay isang mukha or face. Ang pangatlong halimbawa is ang pagkumpleto ng mga hugis, which is kapag more creative na person ka, kanyang nagawa ay isang magandang fish on vacation. While kapag less creative person ka naman, ang kanyang nagawa ay isang simpleng pot lamang. So now let us talk about four parts of Torrance framework for creative thinking. So first is the fluency. It refers to the production of a great number of ideas or alternate solution to a problem. Fluency implies understanding, not just remembering information that is learned. Fluency keywords: compare, convert, count, define, describe, explain, identify, label, list, match, name, outline, paraphrase, predict, and summarize. So, possible example or application activities about fluency. List 5 things that are commonly read or contain red. Possible answer will be apple, cherry, red rose, exit sign, fire alarm, and etc. Those are example question of fluency. So the second is flexibility. refers to the production of ideas that show a variety of possibilities or realms of thought. It involves the ability to see the things from different point of view, to use many different approaches of strategies. Keywords: change, demonstrate, distinguish, employ, extrapolate, interpolate, interpret, predict. Example question is, how would you feel if you were invisible in one day? Another question is, how would you group the ideas of red into categories? So this will be the possible answers. In the first column, it is indicated as red fruit. Second is red safety features. And the third column is red vehicles. This example of flexibility, the ideas about red is more categorized and understandable, which is mas ipinahiwatig dito kung saan parte nabilong ang mga bagay-bagay na ito na may katangiang kulay pula. So third is elaboration. It is the process of enhancing ideas by providing more detail. Additional detail and clarity improves interest in understanding of the topic. Keywords is appraise, critique, determine, evaluate, grade, judge, measure, select, and task. Example is, describe all the possible characteristics of the red quality in a wagon. Possible answers will be, its shades, texture, finish, and uniformity. Ang pang-apat naman is ang originality. It involves the production of ideas that are unique or unusual. It involves synthesis or putting information about a topic back together in a new way. Keywords will be compose, create, design, generate, integrate, modify, rearrange, reconstruct, reorganize, revise. Example is write an unusual title for the ideas about red, or sumulat ng kakaibang pamagat tungkol sa kulay pula. Possible title will be Revolutionary Red Representation.